Hello friends, in this episode I want to show you one of the reasons why your car's alternator might not be charging the battery sufficiently, leading to the occasional appearance of this warning light on the dashboard, especially when multiple electrical consumers are turned on. Even if the main suspect is the alternator, this doesn't necessarily mean it's defective. In this episode we found a less common fault, so let's get to work. First, it would be good to remove the components that block visibility to the alternator and accessory belt area. On this Ford Focus, the alternator is located here. In order to reach the accessory belt from underneath, we also remove the car's splash shield. To remove the accessory belt, you just need to rotate the tensioner clockwise. On this occasion, I could see that the tensioner works very well, so we can eliminate it from the suspects list. Upon a simple visual inspection, I noticed that this accessory belt does not show advanced wear that would explain the charging problems, although it is a bit stiff. When we got to the crankshaft pulley, however, we observed melted material on its outer surface, which was quite strange, so we tried to rotate it, and here's the fault. The pulley rotates freely, not being driven by the shaft. To remove the pulley, you will need to remove the wheel and the wheel well liner. This is what the old pulley looks like. It was extremely hot and it seems that the shock absorbing rubber layer had melted. It was probably still driving the accessory belt thanks to the tensioner, but not enough to rotate the alternator pulley at the necessary speed for normal charging. All we had to do now was order and install a new pulley. Considering the high temperature it generated, it was possible that the belt was also affected, especially since it had become stiff. So we replaced it as well. We also did a check with the multimeter, both with and without consumers, and the alternator is now charging very well. Before the repair, the voltage would drop even below 12 volts. And that's all guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with your thoughts on this episode. Until the next tutorial, we wish you all the best. Goodbye!